Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa.
We are going to continue with our preparatory work in line with the decision that was made by the Western Cape High Court.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo isisichithile isicelo ebesifakwe ngamaqembu amathathu asephalamende abefuna ukuphosela inselele yesinqumo senkantolo esivune umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa.
We're not ruling out the possibility of other suspects being arrested as well as additional charges as the investigation unfolds.
Ama-Hawks athi kungenzeka kuphinde kuboshwa abanye abasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kwabesifazana ababili kanye namaphoyisa esigamekweni sase-Reiger Park eGoli.
Cash deposits aggregating to 2,343,050 rand were made into the bank accounts of Lieutenant Colonel Dina Govender.
Ngikubingelele umbukeli ngwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa igama lami uNoxolo Mamtshali wakwaMwalihle abanganele imhlophe qa uza kwethu engihamba naye uSinovuyo Fihlani okuyena ke ositolikela ngolwimi lwempawu. Sixolise nje umbukeli ngokuthi ke silahlekelane lapho uphixihixi nje bezobuchwepheshe kodwa sesikulungele ukuthi sikuphakele indaba zosuku. Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo isisichithile isicelo ebesifakwe iMK Parts ne-EFF kanye ne-ATM abebefuna ukuphosela inselele yesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape esivuna umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa. Umengameli uthole isivimbelo odabeni lokuthi ikomiti lasephalamende lizocubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kwakhe esikhundleni lingawuqala umsebenzi walo njengoba umbiko wodaba lwephalaphala usazobukezwa yinkantolo.
As the chairperson of the impeachment committee, I note the decision of the Constitutional Court to dismiss the direct appeal of the Western Cape High Court that interdicted the public hearings of the impeachment committee. So we are going to continue with our preparatory work in line with the decision that was made by the Western Cape High Court. We are moving to finalize the terms of reference. We are going to meet next week to move closer to finalizing the terms of reference, but also to get an update in the appointment of the evidence leader. So the preparatory work of the committee has not been interdicted and will continue to work to ensure that all the preparatory work is finalized.
Uphiko lama-Hawks luthi alukuchitha ukuthi kungase kuboshwe abanye abasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kwabesifazana ababili kanye namaphoyisa amabili eReiger Park eMpumalanga yeGoli. Umsolwa oneminyaka engama-23 ubudala uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseBoksburg namhlanje. Icala lakhe ke lihlehliselwe umhlazi ngama-25 kuNcwaba ukuze afake isicelo esisemthethweni sebheyili.
Police okuthiwa uyilungu leqembu lezigelekeqe ubhekene noxhaxha lwamacala. Kuwo kubalwa amane okubulala elokuzama ukubulala kanye nelokuphanga ngaphansi kwezimo ezibucayi.
It is pivotal that I mention that my client does not have any previous convictions, was never found guilty by any court of law in the Republic of South Africa. But however, Yoshepi does have pending criminal cases, and all those criminal cases, pending criminal cases, are actually appearing in this court, Boksburg Magistrate Court.
Umbuso usola ukuthi uyena uholele ekubulaweni kwamaphoyisa amabili kanye nabesifazana ababili eReiger Park ngesonto eledlule. Ukholisi ube esekhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngemuva kokuthi kutholwe izibhamu zamaphoyisa emjondolo yakwaDuka Thole eJimmiston.
We do believe that he was not alone in doing this heinous deed. So we are not ruling out the possibility of other suspects being arrested as well as additional charges.
Kusenjalo ukholisi ubhekene namanye amacala amahlanu asaqhubeka kanti iningi lawo lihlobene nokubulala.
He is a well-known gangster in in Reiger Park, and the investigators connected the dots as soon as they profiled him and found out that he also has outstanding cases that also happen in Reiger Park.
Ukholisi kulindeleke ukuthi aphinde avele enkantolo yemantshi yaseBoksburg mhla zingama-25 kwephezulu ukuze afake isicelo sebheyili.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje izwe ngeindaba zokuthi ithimba lamaphoyisa elijutshelwe ukubhekana nokudunwa kweimoto ezithwala imali KwaZulu-Natal yilona elasoconga uBevan Loftus lenzela uCalvin Naika abasembonini yokudonsa imoto. uLoftus kusolwa nokuthi wayehola ithimba elihweba ngeidakamizwa elalingahushelani neqembu likaNaika.
Umqondisi uIP KwaZulu-Natal uLen John uveze insolo zokuthi kubulawa ngendlela engekho emthethweni kwabanye abantu kubese ezandleni zethimba labakozidlodlo KwaZulu-Natal. Uthi lokhu kuvula amathuba ukuthi kube nenzo labo ejuba amaphoyisa ukubabulala ezinye imbangi zazo.
Since 2023 there has been a surge in extrajudicial killings which IPID has noted with great concern. Between 1st of April 2023 and 31st of May 2026, IPID investigated over 300 cases, of which 77 cases involved the deaths of 149 people as a result of police action by the task team.
Uqhubeke wachaza ngokushona kukaBevan Loftus okusola ukuthi wayehola iqembu elidayisa idakamizwa neligxile ebhizinisini lokudonsa imoto. Uthe uphenyo lwakhe liveza ukuthi uLieutenant Colonel Govender wajuba ithimba CIT task team ukuba yenze lesi senzo yenzela umholi weqembu eliyimbangi uClive Naika okusola ukuthi wakhipha 2.5 wegidi zamarandi ukuze kudluzwe uLoftus.
Between the 29th of August 2022 and the 18th of December 2023, cash deposits aggregating to 2,343,050 rand were made into the bank accounts of Lieutenant Colonel Dina Govender and his wife, who is also a SAPS member.
Isithangami siyaqhubeka kusasa.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa useshayele ihlombe uhlelo olusha lwezobuchwepheshe lwezokuvakasha alichaze ngokuthi lukhombisa ukusebenza kahle nokuphepha kwezwe. Lolu hlelo olusha lwethulwe ngokusemthethweni esikhumulweni seIndiza iOR Tambo.
Mengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ushayele ihlombe umnyango wezasekhaya kanye nezikhulu zemngcele ngokuqhubeza ezobuchwepheshe kanye nokwenza uguquko ngohlelo electronic travel authorization. Umengameli uthe kuguquko olubalekile lomnyango wezasekhaya neBMA.
I just saw the joy and the pleasure on the face of the first passenger that we tested. It was truly good because every nation is known, as the minister was saying, that we are going to have the most electronic, the most modern system in the world.
Ekhuluma ngezibalo zakamuva zabantu abangasebenzi nezikhombisa ukukhula kwesibalo sabantu abangasebenzi, umengameli uthi lolu hlelo olusha lwe-ETA akulona lokufuduka kodwa lizophinde lakhe amathuba emsebenzini.
In the global economy, accessibility matters. Investors compare countries. They will compare how we compare with another country. And I always tell my colleagues on the cabinet that as we do anything, let's see how other countries operate. I always say, let's find out how other children play.
Ungqongqoshe zasekhaya uthi lolu hlelo luzokwehlisa ukukhwabanisa okuvame ukuhlanganiswa nokukhishwa kwamavisa.
The face of the traveller becomes the key that determines whether they may enter, rather than a physical document which can be manipulated. This feature has also laid the foundation for us to significantly reduce immigration queues.
Umnyango ke wazasekhaya uthi impumelelo yohlelo ETA kufanele ibhekwe ngenani lamathuba elwahehayo kanye nomsebenzi wezomnotho ozovula amathuba omsebenzi.
Sakuphela insuku ezintathu isifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal sibhekene nesimo sezulu esingesihle. Amakhaza ashubisa umkantsha nokukhithika kweqhwa kuphazamise ukuhamba kweimoto kweminye yemigwaqo esifundazweni kwakhahlameza ke nemiphakathi ethile.
Khithika kweqhwa kuguqule izingxenye ezimaphakathi neKwaZulu-Natal zaba indawo emangalisayo yasebusika yize kunjalo kodwa imvula eqhubekayo ishiye imigwaqo imanzi futhi ingozi kanti abashayeli bezimoto baxwayisa ukuba bagweme ukuthatha uhambo uma kungaphuthumi.
Ungqongqoshe zokuthutha nokuhlasa abantu kwaZulu-Natal Sibonisa Duma izolo ube khona la eKokstad ebheka isimo somgwaqo ubheke nendawo efana nako Underberg njengoba besivale umgwaqo R617 esewuvulile ama-graders akwazile ukuthi angene asuse iqhwa ebeselisemgwaqeni.
Naphezu kwezixwayiso ukukhithika kweqhwa kudonse amehla abantu abaningi esifundazweni.
It's been very cold. At the same time we've been very excited for snow to come because it's been a while and most of the time when it does come it only lands there on the mountains. So it becomes even colder like that. So we anticipated for it to come and fall here on the street so we can also play with it and the kids can also have fun with it.
Izakhamuzi zaseKokstad zibhekane nobunzima bezimo zokubanda ngokweqile kanye nokunqamuka kogesi. Lesimo sezulu siphinde saba nomthelelo ongemuhle kwezomnotho namabhizinisi.
These past few days we could not open because the weather was drizzling and we stayed at home. We lost a lot of profit and some areas around our communities were flooded with water due to the rain that was happening.
Njengoba isimo sezulu siya ngokudamba, iziphathimandla ziyaqhubeka nokuqapha izimo zemigwaqo kanye nemiphakathi esengozini.
Kanti e-Eastern Cape umnyango wezemfundo uthi abafundi abaningi abakwazanga ukuya ezikoleni eMatatiyele naseHlokweni ngenxa yesimo sezulu esibi.
WaseHlokweni naseMatatiyele wakhelene nentaba zokhahlamba iDrakensberg. Imimandla emininzi apha ichaphazelekile kakhulu kukuwa kweKhepu. Kulosibini kunyanzeleke ukuba isebe lezemfundo likhuphe umbhobhosho ukuba abantwana kule mmandla bangayi esikolweni ngenxa yemeko yezulu. Kungoku nje iKhepu liqalisile kunyibilika kodwa kusenzima ukuba abanye abantwana baye esikolweni.
Abantwana esikolweni basahleli nangoku abantwana asikayazi into yabo bayizawuthini indaba yesikolo apha kuba abantwana ngoba i-transport zabo abazibathathayo zibathatha phakathi elalini zibakhuphe kunzima uba zingangena kwalapha phakathi kwelali.
What is so good is that some of the schools are closed and it brings that the safety of our children is very important.
Isebe liqinisekisile ukuba kusukela ngomso bonke abantwana bazoya esikolweni ngaphandle kwezithintelo.
La ndlela iphuma emzongwana imtyibilizi ibuvalekaga nto leyo ke ethi izikolo eziphakathi kwalamango waseMaluti nasematatiyela eziyi-17 zichaphazelekile. Yiyo le nto ke ngoku u-circuit manager waphaya kunye namagosa bendwendwela izikolo ezi bezama ukuqinisekisa into yobana ngaba zeziphi ezichaphazelekileyo bangaphi abantwana abathe abaya.
Zininzi ke ephondweni zivulelekile ukuba izithuthi ziqalise ukuhamba. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC eMatatiyele.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe eZimbabwe uthi abaholi bamazwe angaphansi kweSADC kumele baqinisekise ukuthi bayagwema izimo ezizodala uqhekeko kumazwe ase-Afrika. Iziphathimandla zamazwe ahlukahlukene zibambe umhlangano e-ICC eThekwini owandulela ke ingqungquthela yabaholi bamazwe eSADC okulindeleke ukuthi ibanjwe kusukela ngoMgqibelo.
Kula ngokusemthethweni umhlangano usihlalo omusha womkhandlu wongqongqoshe beSADC Ronald Lamola ukhuthaze amazwe angamalungu ukuthi amukele aphinde ahloniphe umthetho olawula ukuhamba kwabantu phakathi kwamazwe ase-Afrika.
It is in this wider context that questions of migration and human mobility must also be understood. South Africa is experiencing an increasingly vigorous public debate about irregular migration, the integrity of national borders, access to economic opportunities, and the pressures experienced by communities and the public institutions.
Obengusihlalo womkhandlu wongqongqoshe osedlulisele amandla kuLamola naye ugcizelele ukubaluleka kwezwekazi Afrika ebumbene.
Our strength lies in the unity so profound that the prosperity and security of one member state of SADC is inseparable from that of the entire SADC family.
Unobhala weSADC uthi ukuze kusimame umnotho waseAfrika kubalulekile uqinisa izinhlelo zokuthula nokuphepha.
Peace, security and governance remain foundational pillars of sustainable development, investment and prosperity, and are indeed essential to achieving our aspirations. As has been reported before, SADC region remains largely stable and free from inter-state conflict. Notable progress has been made in addressing political and security challenges in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Madagascar.
Ulindeleke ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ethule isifundo ngohlaka lweSADC.
I-ANC ithi ukungenelela komasipala abangasebenzi kahle sekuthela ithelo njengoba lokhu kuthuthukise ukuphathwa kwemali yabo kanye nokuhlinzekwa ngeyidingonqangi emphakathini.
It must be differentiated. A municipality with a technical capacity gap requires a different intervention from one captured by corruption or paralyzed by political conflict. Now, evidence on turnaround shows that there's a lot that we can achieve. I'm going to cite few interventions. In Bila Bila, achieved the first clean audit in its history because of the interventions. Mamusa moved from 7 consecutive disclaimers to an unqualified audit under intervention while improving revenue collection on municipal infrastructure grant expenditure. Mbombela sustained consecutive unqualified outcomes. Enoch Ngijima fully utilized its infrastructure grant allocation in 2024-25. They installed thousands of smart meters and recorded a positive revenue impact. The Mnquma and Senqu local municipalities continue their positive governance and service delivery trajectory, underpinning the governance and audit improvements unfolding in the Eastern Cape, which saw 8 municipalities achieve clean audits.
I-Democratic Alliance sikhuthaze abalandeli bayo ngokuthi basebenze kanzima ukuze iqembu lenze kahle okhethweni lohulumeni basekhaya oluzayo. Umholi ubehola umkhankaso eHowick kumasipala waseMngeni okuyiwona kuphela owenganyelwe yi-DA KwaZulu-Natal.
I-DA ithatha umkhankaso wayo yawuyise eHowick emaphakathi nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal. Umholi waleli qembu uJordan Hill Lewis ukhulume nezakhamuzi, abalimi, ngokunjalo nalabo basemphakathini eHlwempu kuwona umasipala waseMngeni. Umlayezo obuphambili ukuthi abalandeli baleli qembu abalisize ukuthi likwazi ukuthi liphinde liwine futhi kulo masipala ngoNovember. Lithembisa ukuthi lizoqhubeka lapho ligcine khona ukuthuthukisa lo mkhandlu kanye nezimpilo zabantu njengoba kwenzekile ngaphansi kwameya wabo uChris Peppers.
Here in Umgeni, next door in Umsunduzi, further afield in eThekwini, in Durban, and everywhere across our country. We can bring change, we can get towns and cities working, but only if you unite behind the DA.
Okhethweni lika-2021, i-DA yaphumelela umasipala waseMngeni ngamavoti angu-42. Kwaba ngumasipala wayo wokuqala esifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal. Kanti njengoba kulungiselela ukhetho oluzoba ngoNovember, leli qembu lithi lizimisela ukuthi liphinde liwine futhi kulomkhandlu ngokunjalo nakweminye. Nokho i-DA ibona ukuthi iqembu le-MK Party ilona elingahle liyiphazamise kulezi inhlelo zalo.
In KZN, we have a lawless society where people just do as they want. And when you start pushing back against that, in Cape Town they might have gangs, in Gauteng they might have organized mafia crime. In KZN we have organized crime around tankers.
Zanele Buthelezi, indaba zenza SABC eHowick, KwaZulu-Natal.
Mbukeli thatha iqhu ey'tolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sibe ke sesikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu. Mlaleli sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona kusihlwa namhlanje bazobe bekhona ke oza kwethu kusasa ngolwimi lwesiXhosa okwamanje nje ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.